Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you all again. So, how are you all doing today? I hope you are smiling, ready to learn, and excited because today's topic is going to be fun and super easy. So, have you ever seen your parents putting a fence around the garden or measuring the border of a book cover? Well, that's exactly what we call a perimeter. So let's find out what it really means. All right, my little learners. So before we start exploring what perimeter is, let's take a look at what we are going to learn in today's lesson. By end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what perimeter means. That's the distance around shape. Calculate the perimeter of simple shapes like squares, rectangles, and triangles. And finally, solve some real life examples using perimeter. Things like measuring your garden or decorating a picture frame. By end of the lesson, you will be a perimeter pro. Are you all ready to begin? So let's go. Okay, everyone, so let's imagine something fun. Imagine your classroom is a big playground. Now think about this. If you start from one corner of the classroom and walk all the way around the edges and come back to the same place, what do you think we call that total distance you walked? Any ideas? Yes, the total distance around the shape or around the playground is called the perimeter. So, the perimeter is simply how far you walk if you went all around the outside of a shape. The perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around a shape, which means if you start at one corner and walk all the way around the shape until you come back to the same place, the total distance is called perimeter. Alright? So let's all say it together. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape. Now, let's help our little friend Teddy the tortoise. Teddy loves going for a stroll around Greta, the gardener's beautiful garden. Greta wants to know the perimeter of her garden. That means the total distance all the way around it. So, Teddy starts walking along the edges, step by step, all the way around the garden. Let's help him count how far he walks. So, they have mentioned it's 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meters, 1 meters, 2 meters, and 3 meters. So, what I did was wrong because we can see the tortoise is here down there. So, we have to go this way. So, which is 2 meters plus 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 2 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meters. So, which is equal to 12 meters. So, the perimeter of Greta's garden is 12 meters. Teddy is happy, and Greta can now build her fence perfectly, right? All right, my smart learners. Now it's time for a quick Q&A. Let's see how well you remember what we learned today. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, question number 1. What do you call the total distance around a shape? Yes, it's called the perimeter. Excellent job. Question number 2. If one side of a square is 5 centimeter, what is the perimeter? Great work. That's right. We add all the four sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20 centimeters. Superb. You all did such an amazing job today. You know what perimeter means, how to calculate it, and even how to use it in real life. Give yourselves a big round of applause. And remember, maths is fun when you understand the why behind it. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends so they can learn too. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay amazing.